Hi guys, it's Cassie and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you my haul for kind of November. This is going to include my January kits from Planner Kate, and I also got my pre-sale washi from TheCoffeeMonsterzCo. So the first thing that I'm going to show you guys is my pre-sale washi, and I love my washi. So I only got 5 rolls. I got these really cute winter onesie emojis. I got the fall onesie emojis. I don't even know what this was called. The cloud washi with the emojis, and this also has like the rose gold foil on it. It's gorgeous. And then I also got 2 of the princess emoji washis. So I was so excited that I unwrapped them and I did some swatches. So this is a notebook that I got from my Simply Gilded subscription. I think this was back in May, and so I just swatched on the first page and I love them so much. They're so cute. I think I'm going to incorporate this washi into my January monthly because it's kind of got the blues that I'm trying to use in my January monthly. I'm just really excited to use this. So those are my pre-sale emoji washis from TheCoffeeMonsterzCo. And then of course in every order you get I think I got 2 freebies because it was the pre-sale, but here are the freebies that I got. Oh, it's not gonna, focus on, there we go. I don't know, I just thought that was really cute. And I love this one with like the emojis and the planners. It's so cute. So those are the freebies that I got, and then you also get a journaling card in every order, and this is the journaling card that came with this order, and it's adorable. I love the wings and the flowers and the leaves, and of course I got a signature from Papa Tater, so I'm really excited. Okay, so now my order from Planner Kate. I've got my packing slip here to the side so that I can kind of reference it. But of course, in every order, you get a business card and the Planner Kate name label. I've got like a bajillion of those, so I really don't need any more, but they're nice to have. So you do get 5 freebies in every order, and so the first freebie that I got were these rainbow appointment labels. I got a sheet of habit trackers. I got a sheet of the Erin Condren old monthly color dots. So these aren't the new updated colors. These are still pretty muted. I got the Mani Pedi freebie. And then I'm so excited, I got a sheet of pencils. I love these pencils so much. I use them to mark daycare things in my planner. And I did have to buy a whole sheet of the pencils because I ran out of freebies, but I love having these freebies just so that I can, keep them in my planner for like kind of a rainy day almost. So now to get into the actual order. So the first thing that I want to talk about is how I'm going to do my monthly spread, because I'm switching to a happy planner in the month of January. Officially. Right now I'm kind of using both my Erin Condren and my Happy Planner, which is another conversation for another time. But so Kate is no longer making the Happy Planner monthly kits, and which is fine. I totally get that. And so I was kind of worried about what I was going to do, and I'm going to take some of the add-ons and make kind of like my own monthly kit with the monthly. So the kit that I chose the add-ons that I chose was Icicles, and because I just loved the pink and the blue together. you guys know that I'm a sucker for pink and blue together. But I got the first add-on that I got, and the whole reason I chose this kit was the skinny washi. I love the patterns. They're just gorgeous. I just love the patterns. So the add-ons that I chose are $1.50 each, and this is the thin washi, which is sheet P. P as in Peter. So that is the first one. And then the next one that I got was sheet S as in Sam. And this is the TS pattern labels, of course. So you get some patterned like quarter boxes and half boxes, and I am excited to use these for like special events throughout the month, stuff like that. And then I got T, which is the appointment labels, and so this is just a couple colors in that appointment label color, but I figured that this would be good to mark other events that aren't as special, like just more random events that come up in the month. And then I got U, which is the basic labels, and it's got the 3 colors, which I figured that this would be really nice for my husband, myself, and then like events we do as a family. So it'll be interesting to see how this works for me. There's a lot of labels here, so I don't know. We'll see how many I actually use. It'll be very interesting. So you'll have to stay tuned for my January monthly plan with me in about a month. So let's see. The first kit that I got. So I'm going to run through the kits, what I all got, and then at the end I'm going to talk about my thoughts of the 2020 kit redesign. So the first kit that I purchased was Mini Kit 204, and this is called Teal Feathers. And so I got and this is sheet A, which is the full box, half box sheet, which technically, I mean, it's kind of a full box, half box sheet, but it's got quarter labels now instead, and half boxes. And then this is the sampler sheet. Let me zoom out a little. And then this is the sampler sheet. So yeah, that is the first kit that I got. The second kit that I got was Mini Kit 201, and this is called Cozy? Yes, Cozy. And so here is the sampler sheet, and this is the full box, half box sheet. And I really love like this box, and I love the clip art and the boots. Like, it's so cute. The third kit that I got was Kit 202, and this is called, I think it's called January Floral, yes. And so this is the full box sheet and the sampler sheet. I really like these different like patterns. I mean, they're all in the same color family, but they're so pretty. And I love flowers and blue, so it's just pretty. The next kit that I got was Mini Kit 203, which is Icicles. And I figured that any labels that I don't use in my monthly view, I can use with this week as well. Especially like those bigger half box labels, I tend to use a lot of those. So this is the sampler sheet. And then this is the full box, half box sheet. I'm still gonna call it the full box, half box sheet, guys. Like, it's so ingrained in me to call it that. Like, it's gonna take a while. It's probably gonna take till 2021, and then Kate will redo her formats again. For me to stop calling it the full box, half box sheet. So, but I love like these, like, I don't know. I just love how like simple the patterns are, especially in this kit, but there's plenty of colors to choose from. So, I don't know. I'm just excited to use it. And then the last kit that I purchased, because there is 5 weeks in January. January feels like it goes on forever, and then the rest of the year goes by in such a blank. But this is the first kit that I will be using in January, and this is the New Year's Eve kit. So this is the sampler sheet, and this is the full box, half box sheet, and I'm in love with like the colors. I chose this kit because I get her New Year's Eve kit every year, and so it was definitely a no-brainer. Like, I knew I wanted to get it. But in person, I love, like, it's like a champagne-y gold color along with the black. It's beautiful. I'm really enjoying it, especially like these boxes with the clip art. It's so pretty. And then the last 2 things that I got in my order this time, this is the old Erin Condren colors. So these are the more muted colors, and so these were in the sale section, and I got 2 sheets of the teardrops. Now, I love using teardrops to mark things in my planner. I don't know what it is about it, but teardrops are just like, these teardrops are just the right size so that I can call attention to something super quickly, and that's just there. Like, I don't know. So I got 2 sheets of these. I figured I'd stock up while they were in the sale section, and since I use them no matter with what kit, I figured that the colors didn't actually matter, if they were the old colors or the new colors, so I got some of these. So I got 2 sheets. Okay, so now let's talk the kit format. I have to say that I like it. I was a little disappointed by the fact that this full box is not a full-size full box. It's considerably smaller than a full box on the the full box sheet. I get why she did that. It was to create more room for other stuff and more labels on the sampler sheet. So I don't know. I don't know how I'm going to use this full box, truthfully, to be told. I don't know if that's just a full box that I'm going to stick up in the corner of my planner, or if I'm just going to incorporate it into something else. I don't know. Something else that I was looking at is the weekend banner is significantly different. I much prefer the script weekend banner that was in the 2019 kits, but it did take up a lot of room on the actual kit. And so by condensing it into a banner like that again, Kate was able to give us more stickers, which I do appreciate. I just think and this font matches this font, so that's probably also why she was very interested in that. She's going more towards the Ray Dunn inspired fonts, and so I don't know. It'll be interesting to see how that works in my planner. I'm not entirely sure what these are, these little flags. There's 7 of them. I can use them to like mark videos or mark dinners or something like that. Don't get me wrong, I will find a use for them, but we have flags and then we have asterisks. So I didn't think we needed both, but I guess it just depends on how you plan. I don't know. It'll be very interesting, and I'm actually pretty excited to plan in January with these new kits. Like, I get so excited for that. But otherwise, like I think the fonts are still the same. She did add in no school. That's new. But everything else looks the same. Yeah, and then the icons are different. She added in a car and a TV. So that's interesting. And I don't know if there was a house. Was there a house in last year's kits? I should have brought one in to compare it to, but I don't know. And then looking at the full box, half box sheet, of course there are less half boxes, which, I mean, I use a lot of half boxes, but quarter boxes are very similar. I do appreciate the fact that there are now 7 full boxes that don't have the whited out centers, because I hardly ever use the boxes with the whited out centers. Like, they weren't something I reached for. I rarely have events that last like all day, which is what in my brain signified these kind of full boxes. So I don't know. I think overall the kit changes are great. There's just a few things that I'm just like, I don't know how I'm going to use that. So it's going to be a learning curve. I mean, anything is a learning curve. And yeah, it'll be very interesting, again, to see how things lay out in the Happy Planner. So, but thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, hit that subscribe button. I post videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So come back. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.